Josiah. It's snowing. This is us going to the bus stop, guys. Bye, Mickey. Welcome, guys. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. If this is your first time tuning in, we are Nice of the family from Jamaica, living in Canada. So, guys, today I want to talk about my first experience with snow in Canada, because this morning I took the kids to the bus stop to go to school, and I'm telling you, it was snowing like crazy, and it just brought back this memory, right? And I was like, okay, I'm going to make a video about this. It's snowing. Yeah.
My classmate next to me said that it's a snow blizzard.
It's a snow what?
Snow blizzard.
Snow blizzard, yeah. This is us going to the bus stop, guys. Oh gosh, poor Blessing. She's in her snowsuit, but like snow is even on your eye. Oh my goodness, Blessing. And this is supposed to keep you warm, but it's not covering you from the snow, baby. I'm gonna have to get like that plastic I have to cover. Let's go, Mickey. The bus is here. Go, baby. Remember to sit at the front, okay? All right. Bye, Mickey. Blessing, let's get you home, Blessing. Okay, baby. Hi, Blessing. I don't think Blessing is liking this very much. Not at all. Oh my goodness. I'm trying to get back home. Hey, Blessing, let's get home. This is the perfect day to stay home, wrapped up in bed with some hot chocolate. My first snowfall in Canada, okay? It was like 2008. And I'm coming from school, and when I'm walking from the bus, I just see some white stuff falling on me, falling on my clothes. So, naturally I'm like brushing off my sweater, brushing off my clothes, right? And the thing keep coming. So I start look up like, what is going on? Back home at Jamaica, when there's a big fire, and then the smoke create these little ashes, like little white things, then will just have fire fire. So me, I'm just like looking up like, what is this? But if you look up really and truly, you can't really see the snow if it's not really falling really hard. So I'm looking up, I'm not seeing anything. So I to stop. Then where could I come from? Where this thing come from? I fall upon me. Oh my goodness! Then all of a sudden, I look around on the ground, and I realize, oh, this is snow. Because the ground is now, the grass and everything is starting to cover it up and white. So I'm like, okay, so that's what that was on falling on me. Me say when I not used to something, it's a terrible thing, because I never ever seen snow, never ever experienced snow, right? So I was just like confused as to what is falling on me. Can't see where it's coming from. May I brush it off for me? It keep on and come. Me I say, no, sir. But I couldn't walk on, right? Like, what is this, right? Oh my goodness, that was like so hilarious, because I went home and I told my sister and my cousin, and they were just like laughing, and I'm like, You know, so you could have tell me this, you could have prepare me better. You didn't have to do this to me. You just left me hanging, left me out there and just laugh at me. I'm telling you guys, when you work in a country like this, like Canada, where it is so hard, like winter is like drought. It's like I don't know how to explain it, but winter is harsh. It's hard. It's hard on you mentally because you are like locked up in your house most of the time, and so you're just from work to home because nobody wants to be outside in this weather. You know what I mean? It's cold. Like it. Don't get me wrong. You know, you see the first couple of days of snowfall, everybody like that. Everybody can't wait for the snow come. But you see, when the snow come and decide to stay, that is the problem. The problem lies right there. It's not going nowhere. April come and still snow outside. Same way, you're just like, oh my god, next month me, it's spring and it is still winter, right? So when the snow stay, it gets very very cold. So nobody really and truly wants to stay outside or anything. So it's mentally hard for you, physically hard because if you have to go outside, clean your car and everything. Personally, I don't park outside because me cannot manage three pitney and cleaning car a morning time to go anywhere. So I pay for my indoor parking. Okay, a little bit more expensive, but in the end, it works out way better for me. I'm okay because me just can't manage that. So mentally hard, physically hard. Okay, financially hard because sometimes you don't even want to go work. Right? You want to call in sick because when is it this weather, you're just like, no, I'm not going in today. Why? Because outside just look depressing. Depressing. It just look hard. It even hard for your body because winter, it is so dry. It dry out your skin. Like you have to really moisturize during the winter, or else you see that your lip will crack and bleed. Your skin gets so dry. Everything. That was my experience for the first time in snow. And actually, in 2008, when I came here, the bus went on strike. Guys, it was the worst experience of my life. The bus went on strike. OC wasn't running. And I didn't live close enough to school, but I didn't live far enough either. So I was just like right in between. And when I go to school, sometimes I will get ride from people in the class to go back home, right? But to get to school, especially early morning classes and stuff like that, I really had to get up early and walk, go to school, walk, go. And I'm telling you, it was hard. It was harsh. Like when I reach at school, me hear them read, me think me hear them just go drop off, cause me run, me walk, everything. Me finger them, me say they freeze and them are burn me, them burning, me told them everything. It was just so hard. It was just such a horrible experience. And I was just like, I think winter is the time of the year where people experience the most loneliness in Canada because it's so cold and so it gets so dark so easily. Like 4:30, yeah, 4:30. It's night here. It's dark. You know, sunset. Nobody wants to be outside. It's cold. So a lot of people now just stay in, and that's they don't have some people don't have family or friends that they can go to or that is close by. That is another thing. You don't have the people them where you want to talk to or whatever close by. You would have to travel, and it is harder to travel in winter. Personally, I like to go to Toronto, but in the summertime. When the winter come, I don't like to go to Toronto because one winter we were going to Toronto and we almost run off the road. So because of that, I don't really want to travel driving, no long distance driving. You understand? Just from to be safe, right? So a lot of people just stay in them little corner and just stay to themselves. And the weather is depressing. It makes you depressed. You're tired. It's dark. It's because we have longer nights and shorter day in winter. So of course you're just like most of the time you just work and then you're just back home. So that is how some people become lonely. depressed, and all these things, and I experience some even anxiety and stuff like that when it's coming out to this winter, because it's just like, oh my God, it's winter. But you know, some of us have learned how to embrace the winter. Get your right coat, your right gear, your shoes, your hat, your mitten, everything. Make sure you're fully, fully, fully dressed and warm for outside, right? Because if you're not, you're gonna be cold. You're gonna be freezing. Plan your day. Whatever you need to get done, try to get it done. Um, Before it gets dark or just after dark, so you can get home and be with your family, or just be home to escape winter outside, right? Well, guys, I hope you guys like my video, and if you did, please, 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 please like and subscribe for more. Bye.